One being the not ego-driven side, and then the other you mentioned as the vulnerable and heart-drenching passion. Can you dig a little bit into that?
Woo. Good question, Mark.
Ego is quite a big thing, and especially as a filmmaker, and I think not to take anything away from any production house ever. I believe in production houses and I believe in growing directors. I just think that being a part of a production house and having a team like that is like constantly wearing an ego condom. You know, you're constantly protected and your ego gets fueled. You know, your production house puts support in the understanding that you are the one that's going to bring in the money, and essentially they need to market you, and you don't really get to feel if you're failing. I think that on YouTube, being on the vulnerable side, the condom is ripped off. You are like all alone in this world, and you really get to see your failures. You get to experience in the raw what people are actually saying about you without anybody being able to be like, I've got your back and I support you and you are part of this. Don't worry about them. It's their fault and there wasn't enough budget, or the, you know, client service problems, or whatever people like to blame things on. There's none of that in the YouTube space. It's a space that really humbled me. It's the only time you ever really get to feel that you've failed and you have to deal with that. You know, you can't go like, screw the haters. You got to go like, people don't like it. There's a reason that they don't like it. For me, that's why I'm on YouTube. I'm growing as a storyteller and as a filmmaker, and I'm learning a lot about people, and I'm learning about how to essentially what people want in a form of entertainment.